I'm sorry, but you might be making a mistake in the way you are sharing your story. Have you listened to some stories or watched some movies and you're like, this is trash? Well, I'll be sharing with you some reasons why that happened. Today is day 5 of our storytelling mini series, and the aim of this series is to make you a better storyteller in the next 30 days. My name is Mercy, and I share tips and tricks on how you can become a better storyteller. So, the topic for discussion today is common storytelling mistakes to avoid. Number 1, too much details. Yes, there are some stories that have so much going on in them, but they are not passing a particular message. They are trying to put everything together in one particular story, and at the end, that story ends up being trash. So you need to avoid adding too much details in your story. Number 2, there is no clear conflict. See, without a conflict, there is no story. A conflict keeps people engaged. Just if everything is just so happy, so smooth, so lovey dovey, believe me, people will get tired. They're going to be very boring. So a conflict keeps engagement. Number 3, you're rushing the ending. I watched a particular movie. The movie was all good, yeah, but the ending was so rushed and I didn't like the movie. The ending made me hate that movie. So you should not rush your ending. You should be able to craft a very good ending that will align to the story that you have just created. And number 4, don't complicate your stories. Just keep it simple, keep it easy to relate to, and keep it very easy to understand. And that brings us to the end of today's mini series. Remember, we talked about common storytelling mistakes to avoid. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in my next video for this series. Bye.